Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you a tutorial how to remove background in CapCut. So I have a video here and I want to remove the background of this video. You can click on it, then click cut out, and after that click remove background. You can wait until the process of removing background ends. So this is the result. After this, you can export it and then use it to the another video editing as an overlay. So this is a tutorial how to remove background in CapCut. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.